Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel. I don't know how I'm gonna start this, so I'm just gonna get to the point because no one wants to hear me ramble. So, I am going to be moving into my brother's old room in like a few weeks when he goes back to college. He came back, you know, cause the pandemic. Oof. Okay, so there's like this space between the closet, that's food, and the door, and it's like, it's actually really cool. I think that's a ping pong ball, but whatever. But I was like, thought it would be really fun to have like a cool little, like hangout, if you will, in here. I don't know.
Show us the home.
That's the cat. Sorry about the floor, we're redoing it, so it's kind of a mess, but you know. This is Estelle Marguerite. That's her name. It's very extra and cute, so love her. I wanted like a curtain thing that I could like kind of like, so I could like hide in there or whatever. And I was deciding on what I, like thinking of what I wanted. At first I thought of maybe just doing like plain curtains, but like I thought that wouldn't be fun. So then I thought maybe like doing like a fun like beaded, you know, like 70s beaded curtain thing. But that seems a little too complicated for me. So I'm gonna make something that looks very similar, but is a lot easier and probably a lot cheaper. So I'll show you. So let's make that thing. Hi. You only need like 3-ish things. Okay, first you're gonna need a, oh shit. You're gonna need a tension rod, I think that's what you call this. It's like the shower curtain rods. You're gonna need one that fits the space you wanna house it? House it? Is that a smart word thing to say? I'm trying to do it. Holy shit. This is embarrassing. Okay, so it's just one of, you know, these ones you twist it and then it closes, or you know what I mean, closes, opens when you twist it. Which way there? These things suck. I mean, they're great, but they suck. Okay, then you're also gonna need a pair of scissors and some sort of like rope or cord. This one's just called natural cord. It's $6.99 at Hobby Lobby. Get yourself the 40% off weekly coupon when you get the app. This isn't sponsored, of course. So yeah, this is all you need. I recommend putting it up like in a space that's like bigger. I'm just putting mine up in like my hallway, or just so it's easier to like actually put the rope on, if that makes sense. Maybe, I don't know. I hate voiceovers. Okay, take the rope over the rod and leave the rope a little longer than to the floor. I'd say about 8 inches. Then even it out with the other piece and cut off. Now take it off the rod and connect the 2 pieces of rope. Pull one half of the rope through the other so that it makes a knot, if that makes sense. It should look like this. Then tie a bunch of knots sporadically. When you get to the end, tie a double knot and that's it. Now do this over and over again until you're done. So this is what it looks like. I only need it to come to here. I only need it to come to here. I left a little room because I want to like spread these out a little bit. Also, this cord I bought, I needed like 4 of these, so you're gonna need a lot of rope to do this. And this was just that little tiny like 2 feet space, so it's done. I like how it turned out. It's like kind of like, what would you say, like vintagey looking? Would you say it's vintage?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut that. Do you enjoy? Like and subscribe. Yeah, that's what they say. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. I know. She's so cute. Look at her. Oh my god, baby. You're so adorable.